Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're new here. I know it's been a bit of irregularity when it comes to uploading the videos on YouTube, but you know what, lately life has been so hectic with so much of studying and life's actually started to happen for me and I'm in love with it. Anyways, I went to the library, came back to my home around 3:30 p.m. in the evening, late evening, whatever it is, and then I made myself some hot coffee and I have also black coffee. And I've also mentioned in my previous video that I do reflect on the past and upcoming weeks. I'll soon do a video on it. Anyways, coming to the point, what I have done is I have signed up with an institute for my APPSC Group 1 examination. Along with that, I also do have coaching for UPSC GS and I have finished my optional coaching as well. So I think I'm in a good position to go. All I have to do is self study. So lately, life has been so interesting, new people, new places, new hobbies, new interests. So I thought, or maybe I have decided that I also want to change or upgrade my look. So I went for a haircut. I told him that I want a U with a multi layered haircut. It was so good. And I have never been an early morning person at all. And lately, I started waking up around 5:30, 5:45, 6 a.m. You know what's happening? The thing is, now that I'm consistent with the library, study sessions, classes, and revision, and all of that, I have also started to work on the intensity, right? So I think I'm in a good position lately. I don't know, it's not self boasting or anything, but lately, it's actually what's happening. And now my only focus is to increase the workload. Okay, so consistency is there, intensity is there. Now I really want to stretch the number of hours because I felt if I do everything at one go, I will either collapse or it will not be sustainable in the long run. So anyways, I have become extremely consistent with the library because when everybody around me is studying, I also felt the need to study, I felt the desire to study, I felt the urge to study because nobody is actually taking a break. And when I study at home, it's like it's just everywhere, it's me, and I'll be lethargic and I'll be cozy and I'll be watching some doom scrolling on Netflix and all of that. But especially in the afternoons, ever since I started hitting the gym, I mean, ever since I started studying from the library, it worked really well. And I'm also planning to hit the gym soon and be consistent at it. Anyway, since it's afternoons, I'm also starting to have the smoothies, muskmelon, papaya, and all of that. This muskmelon I have purchased outside, and I have once come back from the library in the late evenings. I'm taking a walk on the terrace and I'm again getting into my room. Previously, I used to study under the white light, but now it's like I wanted to keep really warm. And next day, I woke up in the morning, and the monetary policy chapter has started in the economy. I think inflation is done, and soon we'll have a test on that. And so far, they have also conducted a couple of tests, and all of that I'm also doing. My God, I don't know, but it has been quite hectic. Anyways, it was full moon day, and I wanted to go out full moon day and day around that. And then I decided that I'll go out with my friend, and she thought that I was using the back camera and she'll be recorded, and she didn't know that I was using the front camera, and she accidentally came in front of the camera, and it was both awkward for her and me. And once I came back home, I had sweet corn, slept in the night. It was really refreshing. I think once in a while it's very important to go out and chill with your friends, especially in the nature, not this claustro. I used to feel so claustrophobic all the time. Anyways, so next day I woke up and then I have revised whatever was told the previous day. And lately, anthropology is taking a bit of backseat because there has been so much to do with respect to the general studies, especially the prelims is the first stage both for APPSC, Group 1, Group 2, UPSC. So I wanted to get a good foundation base when it comes to the general studies. So I went to the library, I have made whatever notes they taught in the Andhra Pradesh related classes for my APPSC, and I was also checking it once in a while. Of course, this time my main focus is on the India portion, but lately I'm also investing in that because why not? Like, my question is why not? Of course, it will get hectic in the beginning because all of these are new subjects, but why not? And then I made myself some Maggie once I came home, and in the night I was talking to my friend over video call. If you have watched my previous vlogs, I told you, remember that I and my friends and I, we used to study, and we study over the Zoom meeting calls and Google Meets and all of that. So here, me and my friend, we were having a conversation. Both of our mics were muted, and we were trying to convey something. So I do not really exactly remember what the conversation was, but it was funny. Anyways, I studied for a while and then I slept off. I think I slept off pretty late, and next day I woke up in the morning and I felt like, oh, the mood was really kind of off. And every time I feel off or weird and not so up to the energy, not up to the mark, then I really take this hair wash and I just pamper my body. I feel it's very important. I feel refreshed that way. I don't know, so many people have different coping up mechanisms. Mine is to just clean my space and declutter everything, declutter my body and hair and all of that. Anyways, I have made myself some chai and then I have come back and I started attending my lecture, and I'm just, this is how I keep it really rough. I do not really maintain a running notes, but yeah, I'm not good at making notes. And it was what, early in the morning, and lately, like I told, I was waking up pretty early. It was 6 a.m. I could not fall asleep the previous day at all. I don't know the reasons. Do not go by the date and all of that, it's quite wrong. I do not know how to adjust this clock. I don't know when I slept yesterday. It was like what, 12:30 something by the time I slept, and it's already, I woke up at 5:30 today. But that's okay. Let's see how the day goes. For now, water. And then I studied till 1:30 p.m. that day in the afternoon. This is how I make notes. For example, I think this is the inflation chapter, if I'm not wrong, and all the 37 or odd pages that were given, I wrote them in 1.5 pages. I think I'm good to go with this. This is how I want to keep it. I can't keep going back to the PDFs, right? And that day I have decided that I'll meet my friend. I have known my friend for like what, 13 years, and she came from Bangalore. She is also my neighbor, and they just took 5 kilometers, 4 kilometers. So we both of us went out. We had nice lunch. We had some good conversations, and we spent some time there. And then once I came back home, I have arranged the plants like this. And then in the evening, I again started studying. I took a nap. Actually, I don't know. I don't remember if I have taken the nap or not. But I was very tired, because when you talk certain topics with your friends or dear ones, near ones, certain things do take your energy, because when you are interacting with another person, energy gets exchanged. If the energy is more here, it will go there. If the energy is more there, it will come here. So it's like that. Anyways, so I have just kept the day really light. I could not afford to take a full day break, so I have come back and then done some revision. No, I think I was doing some previous year questions, solving some previous year questions, if I recall. And next day, I really left to the library early in the morning itself. I think like what, 11 o'clock? Yeah, I think I went to the library 11 o'clock, and today my friend did not come, I guess. And till evening, I stayed there. But I think going only for some time in the day works for me, because there have been other meetings and there'll be online classes. Sometimes there is a glitch in the Wi-Fi of the library. Here I'm trying to revise whatever we were taught. I was trying to do this active recall, which is very everybody's talking about it now, but it is very tough. Anyways, I think I'm okay. And then I have had this papaya shake కాదు smoothie. Papaya ante papaya, I think I've mixed it with this muskmelon, because this is half, that is half. How will I have? I've mixed both. Next day I went to the library again, and then I have today I wanted to make some notes and go through the PDF reading. So I was just trying to make some online notes, and I was going through PDFs, and I thought I'll just some things can't be written, some things can't be copy pasted. So this is how I maintain the notes as well, digital plus physical. And I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. If you resonate, do subscribe and write to me. Bye bye.